Yung iba ko pang nakachika, ito sa Netflix din, napapanood sila, ang Cat's Eye, ang global pop girl group na Cat's Eye. Nakausap po natin syempre at next week, bibisita sila sa Pilipinas kasama syempre ang ating kababayan na si Sofia na parte po ng Cat's Eye. Panoorin niyo yung chikahan natin sa Cat's Eye. Watch this. Mula kay Usher, 17. Ashley Park ng Emily in Paris at maging ang Bini. Worldwide smash hit at bagong dance craze na talaga ang latest single na Touch ng kinahuhumalingang global girl group na Cat's Eye. Siyempre, nakachikahan natin sila.
I've been just doing this randomly, like no one's been asking me, and I've been doing like
Binubuo ang grupo na Megan, Manon, Lara, Daniela, Yoonchae at ang Pinoy Pride, ang kababayan natin na si Sofia. Nag-debut pa lang sila last June under the same management ng BTS lang naman na Hybe. Kaka-proud talaga. Ang biggest flex daw ng grupo so far.
Entering Billboard 200 with our second song ever.
Mega hit din na naging journey ng Cat's Eye sa kanilang documentary sa Netflix na Pop Star Academy. Ibinakita rito ang kanilang journey mula sa iba't ibang bansa. Kasama sa docu ang storya kung paano sila napili mula sa mahigit daang-daang libong auditionees. Ang relationship ng Cat's Eye, hindi lang professional, kundi personal na rin.
We have such a strong bond, all of us. Sisterly relationships, it always comes with the conflict. But I think a lot of the time, I think the stress kind of gets to us sometimes. And the tiredness. So sometimes we take it out on each other. But I think the thing that we like kind of like, what is it? Like we make up by saying like girl, it's really not that deep. We're like, I'm sorry, like I know. And like it's not that move on.
Excited na ang Icons na siyang tawag sa fans ang Cat's Eye dahil magkakaroon ng tour abroad ang Cat's Eye. Kasama sa listahan ang Pilipinas. Si Sofia na FYI, anak ng tanyag na Pinay theater actress na si Carla Laforteza, ang nakatoka sa pagpapa-experience ng the best of the best ng Pinas sa Cat's Eye.
My house. The day that we land, my mom planned everything already. She's gonna cook like food for everybody. All my favorite food, sinigang, adobo. There's gonna be halo-halo. There's gonna be taho. I've been craving taho. Halo-halo. Yes. Yeah, so we're gonna have everything. Everybody's gonna come over and then we're gonna eat.
Nasa bansa na mula September 17 hanggang 19 ang Cat's Eye bilang part ng kanilang Asian tour.
The best. Like they will sing along to your songs, harmonize like 5-part harmonies.
Yes.
All of
Yeah.
it. So I'm just like so excited for y'all to feel like that love from the Philippines.